I'm Emma Richards and I'm a registered care manager. For quite a few years I've been in and out of hospital just because I've got another chronic condition. I've got Crohn's disease as well. I had a lot of symptoms from that, like tiredness, but I was becoming more and more tired, sort of had put it down to the Crohn's disease and the infusions. It was actually the two nurses looking after me at the time that obviously was sending me off for blood tests that weren't happy with the results. At the time, I didn't actually realise that they were telling me they were looking for a blood cancer, because they'd mentioned leukemia and they said, but we're not sure that it is that, we don't think it is that. So that sort of gone over my head, dismissed it. They called me in for my appointment in January 2013. I was sat there with my husband, and when he actually said that I'd got chronic myeloid leukemia, I just went completely blank. I don't know what he said to me afterwards, and actually I remember him turning to my husband and talking to him, and I couldn't hear a word that was coming out of his mouth. I just absolutely broke down in tears. My first thoughts, I actually thought, oh my God, I'm a goner. And then it was like, oh my God, my kids, what am I going to do with my kids? I went a little bit numb after that point. The doctor was absolutely brilliant, I have to say, and he tried to reassure me. But I went on the internet looking for charities or somewhere that I could get proper information, and Leukaemia CARE is one of the ones that came up. But then when I looked at the website, had a look at the things they were doing, from all of them I thought this was probably the one that I could go to, and I'm really, really glad I did, because they've just been absolutely amazing. They've helped in terms of giving me information that's actually relevant, but they're reassuring as well. They've obviously got a lot of knowledge, and it's nice to talk to someone that's not within your family unit, that's separate from what's going on, because they're impartial and they're not trying to tell you what they think you want to hear. They're honest with you. There's so many ways that people can help, and you shouldn't be afraid to ask for that help, because we all need help at times. But it can be a lonely place to be, because no one truly knows what's going on in your head. However, don't be afraid to ask for help. Don't be afraid to go to people like Leukaemia CARE, because they are just absolutely amazing.